Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prospercoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. Here's another video in the Functions in Python series. If you haven't watched my previous parts yet, feel free to do so. Here they are. Introduction to functions, functions with parameters, the return statement, mandatory parameters, optional parameters. In the previous video, we're talking about optional parameters. There's one more thing to optional parameters we should be aware of. The default value is only evaluated the first time the function is called. If the optional parameter is a mutable type, like a list or dictionary, and it's changed in the function, the change will propagate through all the following calls. You can also read the written version of this video on my Python programming blog at prospercoder.com. Let's start right away with an example. Here we have one mandatory and one optional parameter. The optional parameter is assigned an empty list. In the function, the object passed as the first parameter is appended to the list. When the function is called for the first time, the optional parameter is evaluated. In the function, the element hello is appended to the list, and the list with the hello string is returned. But when the function is called for the second time, the optional parameter is not evaluated again. So the function works on the list with the element appended before, not on an empty list like the first time. In the following calls, the new element is appended to the list which already contains all the elements appended in the earlier function calls. Let's have a look at the output. So, the first function call returns this list with one element, hello. The second call returns this list with hello and salut, the second element, and so on. So the default parameter is shared between subsequent calls. If it's not what you want, you can get around it, for example, like so. Here, you can set this to none. And now here, you can use something like this. If items is none, items equals an empty list. And then we append to this empty list. This time it will work as expected. Have a look. So now in each function call we only get the list with one element, as we wanted. Now, if the optional parameter is not passed to the function, like here in these examples, the default value will be none. Then we check if the parameter is none, and if so, an empty list is assigned to it. By the way, have a look at this line of code again. Here we have a whole conditional block on one line. This is a so-called single statement suite, and I have a video on that, if you'd like to watch it. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.